Below the reboiler, we have the bottom product vessel, and down on the left is the bottoms pump. You're also going to need to calibrate this pump in order to set up a material balance on your column. We call the bottoms pump, and that pump pumps right here off the bottom of the reboiler. So you want to be sure this valve is open and this one is closed so the fluid does not come out. The pump then pumps the fluid off the bottom of the reboiler and over to the heat exchanger to preheat the feed. When it leaves the heat exchanger, it then goes to the bottom product vessel. There's a three-way valve on the bottoms vessel. If we turn it out like this, the bottom product will come out here in order to calibrate. This is closed, and turned this way, the bottom product will go into the vessel. The bottom pump is controlled by voltage source 1 here on the upper panel. If I turn this up, then I have a voltage that goes to the pump, and product should then flow off the bottom of the reboiler to the bottom product vessel. Once you turn the voltage up on the bottom pump, the pump will take fluid off the bottom of the reboiler through the heat exchanger to preheat the feed, and then into the bottom product vessel. You can see it dripping here now. In order to calibrate this flow as a function of the voltage setting, we're going to turn our three-way valve here out and let this move into the bucket, and again take the graduated cylinder and stopwatch and get the volumetric flow rate. You'll also find on the desktop calibration curves in Excel from previous groups, but you want to be sure and do your own calibration because things change over the course of the semester. So you want to make sure you have your own bottoms pump calibration curve for flow rate out of the bottoms pump as a function of voltage, and also the flow rate out of the feed pump as a function of RPM.